Hello friends from Bangladesh. We attend the DIFS. It's our first time.
I think this is the largest textile and fabric expo in Bangladesh.
We are one of the yarn manufacturer and the denim cloth manufacturer. We are supplying here to the Bangladesh market past 15 years.
It's our first time here to attend this show and the first time in Bangladesh country. It's a very nice country, nice people here. We are looking for big opportunity to work.
We feel the market here is very good. We want to expand the market here.
We will do more business here in future with Bangladesh, and we will do our best to support here.